Alexis?
Jennifer, Rick, Brett Hankison is one of 4 former LMPD officers indicted by the U.S. Department of Justice in connection to the 2020 shooting death of Breonna Taylor. Now, the case has been high profile and complex, so it comes to no surprise that the process to pick the jurors in this trial is taking time. Now, for background, Hankison is charged with violating Taylor and her neighbor's civil rights. Prosecutors allege he used excessive force when he blindly shot into the apartments during a botched raid on March 13th, 2020. Hankison has pled not guilty. Now, during today's jury selection, 44 potential jurors showed up to court. There was 1 juror dismissed. Now, from the pool, 16 people will be selected to participate in the trial. Now, to achieve this, jurors are being questioned both in person and in written form. Now, the official questionnaire has been sealed by the court, but a proposed 76-question court document shows jurors were asked everything from the basics of their background to more in-depth information like their knowledge of the case, their views on law enforcement, and even their impressions of the different movements like Black Lives Matter and All Lives Matter. Now, the district court judge presiding over the case, Rebecca Grady Jennings, says the goal is a fair and impartial trial. And this is the second trial for Hankison, who last year was found not guilty on state wanton endangerment charges related to the Taylor case. Now, the jury selection is still going on at this hour and will continue tomorrow. And as we wait for this to conclude, we're learning more information about the trial itself that is expected to take 3 weeks. Now, at some point, the jurors will be allowed to go to Taylor's apartment, and that was at the request of Hankison's attorneys, who filed a motion that the judge granted. But the judge has not yet determined if photos of Taylor's body will be allowed to be shown in court. Live from the federal courthouse for you tonight, I'm Alexis Matthews, WLKY News.